we did see the ice lava loon. I don't even know what to call it yesterday. He crushed bases. It's the Zap Dragon for this one, Woody. And everything rides on this attack now.
3-star to win the war, and a 2-star still would be a very powerful finish for TOMPINAI Empire and require Team Elevate to get the triple.
He's got a good start here with the lightning spells, taking out not just the queen, but the scatter shot as well. Also means that the Archer Queen has a lot less fire on her as she moves into the base. And I do note the 4 grounded expos. So it seems he's going to charge his queen into the southern area, try and keep her away from the grounded expos, and then move the dragons on through. With the battle blimp selected, it's all about where he sends them. Does he send the dragons in front of the queen? Because that would seem the best play to me. Time will tell as he's slowly just allowing the queen to take out this southern area, create that ever so important pathing for his dragons.
A leisurely stroll for Reac to start with, but you can tell that the fission reaction is starting already. Big booming damage coming on in shortly as the CC gets pulled, and it's time to start the dragon fire.
Interestingly uses the Royal Champion to the top of the base, which takes down the sweeper. It also helps the defensive pathing look to force the dragons, even if they start moving to the outside, they would be forced back in towards the town hall as long as he uses, let's say, a baby dragon up to the north of the base, which he does have. But he's actually intending the battle blimp to get the town hall. It moves on through with the warning ability. The rage spell is there to power it forward, and you can notice the defensive placement to where the balloon is, or the battle blimp is popping, means sneaky goblins should easily get the town hall. Dragons are shredding this base, and he even has rocket balloons from the inside. From the right side, it's looking pretty good here, Woody, but the dragons very low on hit points.
Getting low, but there's still quite a few of them. That multi-target Inferno is either going to be the savior or the disaster for this base. eVe MUDDA crossing his fingers and toes, hoping beyond hope that it can hold on to the pressure. 3, maybe 4 more dragons flying back in, but the multi-target Inferno is going to lock onto all of them. 2 go down quickly. Tesla and an Archer firing away as best they can. There's 3 dragons left, including the baby up top, but they've already engaged the Inferno Tower. Breathing fire all over! Reac from TOMPINAI Empire needs to finish up. A black bomb explodes, Juno!
There is a storage in front of the Archer Tower, so even if the dragon had a lot more health, it would not be enough. A 98% 2-star. You could not write it, Woody. Now Team Elevate, they are a star behind, so they do need the 3-star. Whilst they would take the lead on percentage if they 99'd, it wouldn't be enough, but a 3-star would give them the victory.